Hi there and welcome to another BlogHandy tutorial on how to add a blog to your existing website. My name is Uwe, I'm the founder of BlogHandy, a simple way of adding an SEO-optimized blog to any website. Today we're looking at Wix and how to install the BlogHandy app from the Wix marketplace and how to add it to your Wix website in order to add an SEO-optimized blog to your Wix site. So let's get started. I'm already now in the Wix app marketplace and I just click on add to site for the BlogHandy app. If you're not on that page yet, just search in the search bar for BlogHandy and you will find it. And then just click on add to site. Okay, since I've got multiple sites on my Wix account, I have to now select what site I want to install BlogHandy to. If you've only got one site, you obviously can just click on that one site. All right, select. Okay, perfect. So now you just have to agree that BlogHandy receives a few information about your site in order to set it all up. Click on agree and add. Great. After adding BlogHandy to your Wix account, BlogHandy will automatically create a blog page within your website for you. You can see here's a link to the blog. And if you don't get redirected to the blog page automatically, just go here at the top and select blog. Great. So this is your BlogHandy blog. It's automatically integrated in Wix. And since you haven't created any blog post yet, it's empty. It just shows you the category, the search, and that's it. So just click here and then you can click on settings. And it will load a few extra information. You can change the design of your blog. You can review the app and here you can write a new blog post. So let's click on that. Perfect. So what this has done, it basically went to your Wix dashboard and it selected the app. You can also go back to your page and you could just click on site on my dashboard and then select BlogHandy if you don't want to do the shortcut. Now, this is your BlogHandy account. We have posts, categories, authors, and settings. Let's have a quick look at categories and authors and then go back to writing our first blog post. Click on categories. And in our example, I'm just gonna create a travel blog. So let me click here on edit and I change this to travel. I change the slug, which is the URL, to travel, and I click on Save Changes. And that's done. Now I go to Authors, and I will select the author. If we haven't received your first name and last name from Wix, it will be just by default this. So now I will write my details here. And click on Save. I could also upload my image here and write author biography. We can go to settings. This is the page of our blog. And here you can add some different information. For example, how many blog posts you want to show per page, what headlines do you want, and so on. You can change the design here of your blog. You can preview it here to have an idea how it looks like. And you can also, for example, remove or add the search box, the category bar, and so on. Additionally, you can click on sharing and you can enable different social networks that you want to add to your blog post at the end of the blog post. So people can easier share your content on Twitter, Facebook, and so on. Now let's go to the posts page and let's create our first blog post. All right, let's click on add post. And let's say I want to write a blog post about traveling with kids. Travel with kids. Now, I just wrote the blog post and I will copy it here. And then I will select the category, travel. Now I want to select a featured image. So I just click on select image. I've got one here, or you can just here click on upload click on Add Files. You can select your file, then you click on Open, and then you click on Start Upload. Once it has been uploaded, you just click on Return Files, and you see here your images. So I just select this one. And that's it. I have my featured image selected here. I can do exactly the same for any images I want to add to my blog post. And let's go further down. So now the SEO optimization part starts. So as a keyword, I might want to just select travel for the sake of this demo. I've got a page title. I just write a quick meta description. Here you see a preview how it would look on Google with the meta description, the page title, and the URL. And here you go further down, and we are scoring 80 out of 100% right now. And then you can go in each of the categories. For the page title, we're doing very well. It might be a bit long. For the meta description, it should be a bit longer. Okay, we can add some words. And for the content, we're doing very well. We're ticking all the boxes. So then as a next step, you just change this from draft into published. Let's just say we publish it today, right away. I click on Save Post. And that's it. Now it has been successfully added to your Wix site. You can see here it's published. And let's go back to your Wix site. In this case, I already had it open here in the editor, or you can just go back to your published page on the editor page, and here you see it. It's already updated. Here is our category name, travel, the search, and this is my blog post. And you can just click on settings. And again, you can change the design here of the main page. You can change the design of the single post page, which is the page you see when you view the blog post. And you can also write a new blog post. Let's just quickly show you how simple it is to change the design. Let's say I want the classic design. I click on it and it's instantly changed. Again, you click on settings. You might select the pop grid and it is instantly changed to this design. You can preview your page and there you have it. You can click on it and it loads your blog within your Wix site. Here you can share on the different social networks. You can go back to the blog page and that's it. Thanks a lot for listening. If you've got any questions whatsoever, please feel free to reach out and we're happy to help you integrate BlogHandy into your Wix site. Happy blogging and bye bye.